Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: your Union Bank debit card, account number, and the mobile number registered with the bank. Open Google Pay and sign in with your Google account. Make sure the app is up to date. Grant SMS and contacts permissions when prompted so the app can auto-detect OTPs. Once done, tap Add Payment Method, choose Bank Account, and select Union Bank. This gets you into the flow where the app verifies details and prepares to link. Now you verify your bank details. Pick Union Bank from the list and either enter your account number or select your saved debit card. Google Pay will prompt to confirm the mobile number that the bank has on file. This must match. Request the OTP and let the app autofill it if permitted, or type it manually. In some cases, Union Bank may send a micro deposit or a small authorization charge. Make sure you observe the exact value if asked for verification. Finish by accepting terms and setting a UPI PIN or confirmation code when prompted. This secures payments. Once completed, Google Pay shows your Union Bank account as linked and you can make payments. Make a small test payment or check for a verification charge in transactions. It often reverses automatically. If linking fails, make sure your mobile number is registered with Union Bank, retry the OTP flow, and then contact Union Bank support if issues persist.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.